everybody, and welcome to Learning with Joelle. A few days ago, it was my birthday, and I got a really cool present from my mom. You want to know what it is? Okay, I'll show you. It's fake nail. Aren't the fake nails pretty? I think they are. Now, the first thing you have to do is clean your nails. Like if you have nail polish on, you have to clean them. I had nail polish on this one, but I cleaned it off because I want my fake nails to work. Now, let's get started. I opened my nails up. Now, as you can see, some have sparkle, and some have squiggly lines, and some even have sparkles and the letter J. I'm going to start with my thumb because this is the big nail. I'm going to put my thumb flat in. The glue has to be on the bottom part. And there. Don't they look fancy? I think they do. It's really easy. See, I finished front hand. Now, let's keep going. They look so nice and pointy. They're longer than my normal fingers. Stick one up. I love these fake nails so much. This was the best gift from my mom. Oh, there, got the last. I like the last one because it has a jewel. I really feel fabulous. You want to see how they look from both hands? You're done? Don't they look good? I feel so fabulous. Well, I'll see you on my next video. Bye.